One of the most common mistakes business owners make is assuming their insurance covers everything, only to find out it doesn't when they file a claim. Here's the truth. Business insurance comes in different types, each covering specific risks. General liability protects you against customer injury claims, but you'll need a commercial property coverage for damaged equipment or inventory. To check your coverage, set aside 10 minutes to read your policy documents. Look for what's included, what's excluded, and the limits for each type of protection. If something important is missing, add it now, not after a loss. With Next Insurance, you can easily see your coverage details, add extra protection, and even bundle policies to save money. Protect your business with confidence. Click the link in the description below to check your coverage today with Next Insurance.